Good morning, my name is present here. Today we students of Prodigy Public of class 9B. Myself Zara Sheikh
And I am Shikha Kuthagar.
is going to explain population growth. So what is population? Population is the number of people living in a particular area, district or a territory. Population is a dynamic phenomenon. The numbers, distribution and composition in population are constantly changing. It is influenced by birth, deaths and migration. These changes can be either in a positive way or a negative way.
So let's start with our next topic, which is population. A growth of a population can be referred to as a number of inhabitants in a given country during a specific amount of time. This change can be expressed in two ways: in terms of absolute numbers and in terms of percentage per year or per decade. So the absolute numbers added each year per decade is a magnitude of increase. It can be obtained by simply subtracting the earlier population with the latter population. Let's for example take 2015 and 2012. If we subtract the given population, the outcome would be known as an absolute increase. The rate of pace of population change is the rate of change of population change is an important aspect studied every day by specialists as the percent per annum. This, for example, if there in a given year in a country there is the growth rate is 2%, then it would mean that 2% is added 2% are added in every 100% in the base population. That would be known as an annual growth rate. So in this graph, you can see in your textbooks that in India during the 1951 to 1961, the annual growth rate was 21.64%. Until 1981, it was increasing, and then it dropped in 1981, and it is declining ever since till 2011.
Now I would like you to focus on the bar graph in textbook, which shows the India's population from 2001 to 1901 to 2011. As you can see, from 1901 to 1941, there was no change. India has been steadily increasing from 361 million in 1951 to 1,210 million in 2011. However, there was a decline in 1981, which led to a decline in growth rates, and annually in the birth rate. But still, India was able to manage to bring 182 million people in the 1990s. Now, it is really essential to realize that India has a large population. When a low annual rate is applied to a large population, there is a large absolute increase. For example, the low annual rate is 2 and large population is 10. By simply subtracting, we get 8 as the absolute increase.
India, the declining rate has been proven as positive indicator of positive effects of birth control. But despite that, India has been increasing its population, and maybe in future we can take over China in 2045 as the most populous country in the world.
Thank you.